You're not just getting weaker with age. Your body is actively deleting your muscle day after day, year after year. Right now, millions of seniors are losing strength they'll never get back because of one missing daily habit. This has nothing to do with the gym, or protein shakes, or testosterone, and everything to do with a mistake most people make before 10 a.m. If you've been feeling slower, weaker, or more off balance lately, it's not your imagination. And it's not normal aging either. It's a warning sign, a red flag from your body. If you don't change this one habit, you may lose 30–50% of your muscle before your 80th birthday. And no one, not even your doctor, may mention it until it's too late. Let's talk real consequences. Weak legs don't just make you slow, they make you fall. According to the CDC, 1 in 4 seniors falls every year. And if you're over 65, one bad fall can destroy your independence. But here's the real kicker. Loss of muscle equals less mobility. Less movement, more fat, weaker bones, higher blood sugar, more meds, and more damage to your metabolism. This spiral is called sarcopenia, and it starts in your 60s. Ignore it, and by 75, you might need a walker just to make it to the bathroom. Or worse, end up in assisted living just because your legs gave out. Here's the surprising science. A single daily habit, done before breakfast, can cut muscle loss in half. 30 grams of protein within 1 hour of waking. That's it. This one habit switches your body from catabolic mode, muscle breakdown, to anabolic mode, muscle building. Harvard Health and NIH-backed studies show seniors who eat early protein have faster walking speeds, better balance, stronger grip strength, and fewer falls over a 12-month period. Your body's most anabolic window is the morning. Skip protein here, and you're playing muscle roulette every single day. Practical tip 1. Build the breakfast muscle stack. Most seniors eat toast, fruit, or nothing in the morning. That's a metabolic disaster. Here's what works. 2 eggs, Gabro 12G protein, 1 scoop whey isolate, Jabro 20–25 grams, 1 slice whole grain toast, Hagar fiber and energy done. That's 30-gram protein and muscle-saving fuel in under 10 minutes. Want a simpler hack? Mix 1 scoop of whey protein isolate with water and chug it after brushing your teeth. Still not hungry? Then it's even more important. Your body will take protein from your own muscle if you don't feed it. Now here's the twist most seniors never hear. Practical tip 2. The forgotten signal, leucine. Not all protein builds muscle equally. Your body doesn't start building muscle just because you ate protein. It starts when you hit the leucine threshold. Leucine is an amino acid, a trigger like flipping a switch. Without enough of it, your body does nothing. According to Tufts University, most seniors need 2.53 grams of leucine per meal just to stimulate muscle growth. 1 egg, 0.5 g. Greek yogurt, 1 g. Most plant proteins, less than 1 g per serving. This is why you can eat healthy and still get weaker. What works? 1 scoop, whey isolate, 2.5–3 g to leucine. Add eggs or lentils and you've got a full anabolic signal. Your body isn't a car, it's a computer. You don't just need fuel, you need the right code to turn on muscle growth. And here's a secret code breaker. Practical tip 3. Use anabolic pairing. You've heard of pairing wine and cheese. Now try pairing protein plus resistance. It doesn't matter how heavy the weights are, it matters when you move. Here's the trick. Eat your high-protein breakfast, then do 10 minutes of basic resistance within 30 to 45 minutes. Example, bodyweight squats, x10, wall push-ups, x10, standing calf raises, x10, repeat 3 times. This primes your mTOR pathway, the biological circuit for growth. Research from Stanford found that this combo increased muscle protein synthesis by more than 50% in seniors, compared to either habit alone. So, eat, then move. Don't wait for the perfect workout, just do it. Most people think, eat more protein, Chuck, get stronger. But that's wrong. Here's the real science. After 60, your body becomes anabolic resistant. That means you absorb less of the protein you eat. You need 30–40% more protein than a younger adult just to get the same muscle-building effect. Most seniors eat 40–50 gram protein a day. You need 80-100 gram minimum. According to the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, seniors hitting this target lost 50% less muscle over 3 years, had 70% fewer falls, and improved strength without exercise. But most doctors still recommend the outdated RDA, just 0.8 g/kg body weight. That number was designed to prevent deficiency, not optimize longevity. Biggest mistake: skipping breakfast or starting your day with coffee only. Coffee spikes cortisol. Cortisol breaks down muscle, especially on an empty stomach. Do that every day, and you're literally melting away your own strength. Fix it. Eat 25-30 grams of protein first, then drink your coffee if you must. Or better, add a scoop of protein to your morning coffee. Profi. It's a thing. Also, never fast too long. Fasting can be helpful in younger adults, but for seniors, long fasting windows, more catabolism. If your eating window is less than 8 hours a day, you're likely under-eating protein and over-losing muscle. Don't fight biology. Use it. Bonus, hidden truth. The muscle clock you've been ignoring. Your muscles have a circadian rhythm. Yes, they know what time it is. University of Illinois researchers found that muscle cells have internal clocks that respond to light, feeding times, and physical activity. Move early, so better muscle signaling. Eat protein early, higher synthesis. Skip meals, confuse the muscle clock. So if you eat your biggest protein meal at 7 p.m., you're missing the peak window for muscle growth. Solution: Protein plus movement in the first half of the day, lighter meal at night, and get morning sunlight. It resets your body's internal clock. Want muscle like you had at 40? Then stop living like it's midnight all day long. Rapid recap, burned into the brain. What to do: 30-gram protein within 1 hour of waking. Whey isolate or eggs, plus toast. Leucine-rich sources like whey, lentils, and eggs. Light resistance training after breakfast. Repeat daily. Skip the coffee-only trap. Eat more total protein. 80-100 grams a day. Fix your muscle clock. What to avoid: skipping breakfast, low-protein meals, relying on plant protein alone, long fasting windows, evening-only protein bombs. You're not losing muscle because you're old. You're losing it because no one told you how to stop it. Now you know, so tomorrow morning don't repeat yesterday's mistake. Rebuild or regret, your choice.